Did you know that every fraction is actually a secret division problem in disguise? That little line in the middle? It literally means divided by. So, if you see 3/4, it's just 3 divided by 4. To turn it into a decimal, we just need to finish the math. To set up the division, use the top dog rule. The top number of the fraction is the top dog, and the top dog gets to go inside the house. The bottom number, the denominator, has to stay outside. Now we are ready to divide. Wait, 4 can't go into 3. Don't panic. We just need to add a decimal point and some placeholder zeros. The decimal point in the house acts like an elevator. It travels straight up to the roof and stays there for your answer. Now we divide 4 into 30. That goes 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract and we get 2. Bring down the next 0. How many 4s in 20? 5. Exactly 5. We are finished. Look at that. 3/4 has transformed into 0.75. It's the same value, just wearing a different outfit. Some decimals are famous. 1/2 is always 0.5. 1/4 is always 0.25. Memorizing these will make you a math ninja. Quick challenge. If you turned 1/5 into a decimal using the top dog rule, what would you get? Put the 1 in the house, add the elevator, and divide by 5. The answer is 0.2. Boom! You've unlocked the power to teleport between fractions and decimals. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.